welcome back. I'm really excited about this one. Humans are a treasure trove of creative gems. Today, I called upon a very special guest. She opened up her treasure trove and offered me a creative gem, something special to do together and to do with all of you. So let's check it out. I'm gonna let her take it away. Go ahead!
Muy bien. Hola, yo soy Olga, soy la mamá de Lucía y hoy les voy a contar un poco sobre una receta de Play-Doh que se puede hacer en casa. Todas las maestras de los daycare tienen una receta para hacer Play-Doh y yo aprendí la mía cuando empecé a trabajar. El Play-Doh es muy fácil para hacer, lleva pocos ingredientes y es muy lindo. A los chicos les encanta y también a los grandes. Las maestras y los padres que llegan a la escuela juegan con los niños y pueden modelar con Play-Doh con ellos también. Espero que les guste.
Alrighty, so for your homemade Play-Doh, you need 1 cup of flour, a half cup of salt, and 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. You're going to mix those together in a bowl. Then you're going to boil 1 cup of water. So a nice hot cup of boiling water. And you're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix that in. And then you're going to add your food coloring of choice, any color you want. And you're going to mix that coloring into the water with the oil. Then you can pour that into your dry mixture, the flour and the salt and the cream of tartar. But you want to pour it in gradually and mix as you go. So add in, mix, add in some more, mix again. And then the last thing you're going to do is once you've mixed it up pretty well, you're going to take that mixture, the beginning of your Play-Doh, into a pot over some low heat and continue mixing. Mix it all up, mix it up, mix it all up, mix it all up, and you'll see how all the ingredients begin to gel together, form together into this lovely dough. Once everything is pretty mixed together, you want to take it out of that pot, and then it is so warm and wonderful, and then you're going to knead it a bit, finishing up so that it's all fully mixed together. And there you go. You've got your beautiful homemade Play-Doh for you to play with. So, how can you play with this Play-Doh? Is that even a question? There are endless ways to play with your Play-Doh. Just enjoy and take that time. You can roll it out, you can flatten it, you can create imprints with your hands and your fingers, you can pull it apart, break it apart. You can use the movements that you're doing with your hands as a way to inspire the movements to do with your body. So if you feel compelled to roll your Play-Doh and then roll your head and neck and your shoulders, please do so. Enjoy it. Indulge in the squishy, in the squiggly, in the swirly, in all of that ooey juicy goodness that is to manipulate soft and wonderful pliable dough. The holidays are a time. This is a holiday season that we've never experienced before. So we all need a little something in our pocket, a little something to give us a hand, either when we need that moment, that rest, that reprieve, that reset. Use this Play-Doh to reset, or you can use it to reset with the other. Are you having a moment with someone in your household? Pull out that Play-Doh, enjoy. Or do you want to come up with a special game, something you haven't done yet, a new holiday tradition? It's really, like I like to say, You know, the possibilities are endless. There's so much you can do with the Play-Doh on your own, in play with others. I can't wait to see what you guys do. And please, above all, just enjoy.
This is such a beautiful little resource, little tool in your toolkit to have this holiday season. And you just keep it in a plastic bag and it lasts, I think, about a week, maybe more, but you gotta keep it sealed in a plastic bag. After you've done it, because you are going to give it a try, you can't resist, right? How can you resist this Play-Doh, this magical, soft, squishy substance to put in your hands? Please try this at home, make your Play-Doh, and send me a picture, send me a video, write me, just let me know. Let me know that you made some Play-Doh. Let me know what the experience was like. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Let me know what you did with it. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. And if you're enjoying this channel, Creative You with Lou, please subscribe. And I guess that's all. So I'll see you next time on Creative You with Lou. Thanks. Bye. Adios. Please give us a like. If you want to come back, please subscribe. I hope you enjoy Creative You with Lou.